Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the Olympus Academy. So today I'll be going through the British pound and the Canadian dollar and the US dollar index. So we can see here we actually have the climate count change. So it actually increased from 26.5 thousand to 46.7 thousand. So as you can see here, it shows that unemployment rate has increased. It's the first indication of it. So this shows that the overall economy is actually weakening. So for British pound, I'm actually looking for price to continue bearish towards this nice little support area right there. It's located at 1.24500 level. So next, let's take a look at the Canadian dollar. So I'll be just focusing on the trimmed CPI. So it actually dropped from 4.4% to 4.2%. So it shows that overall inflation is dropping. So it could lead the central bank to drop lower interest rates or even pause interest rates. So for USDCAD, where's it at? Okay, I'm looking for price to continue bullish towards this nice little resistance area right there. So yes, just bounce off a nice support recently. Bounce off, looking it for it to continue out towards 1.35200. So let's take a look at the dollar index next. So I'm actually looking at it from a very large point of view on the H4 charts. So the core retail sales, we will be focusing on the core. So it actually increased from negative 0.5% to 0.4%. So this shows that overall consumer spending has increased, leading to better overall economic activity. So I'm looking for price to continue bullish, possibly towards the next resistance level right there. Next resistance likely to be here at 102.800. So that will be it for today. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next session.